Hi Librans, this is Star with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for December 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also going to dive into some oracle texts that I have here. We will cover general love and career matters in this month or in this reading. Librans, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. So please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of November, stepping into December 2021, we have the Knight of Swords. I think in this time you needed to adapt, you needed to have a very flexible approach. Possibly you were also somebody who was quite adventurous. I think you were also reconnecting with someone from your past. Sometimes adapting to situations may have been unnerving, but you had to do what was required from you. Obstacles to overcome this month, the challenges that December is going to pose for you is the Hangman. I think you may feel that there's too much on your plate, or you have to get down to business, or you're going to be as busy as a bee. Possibly, you'll also feel as though you have to step in. Maybe family members expect you to sacrifice yourself. Even on the work front, you may feel as though you're the one who has to take the onus when others back out. I think Librans, you should also safeguard your health in this month. Influences for this month, we have the Two of Cups. I think you have to be prepared because you have to be on your toes. Some unexpected surprises are also in store for you. Overall, you may feel content. I think you can expect more from your clients, so you should negotiate a bit. Though you're going to be overworked or you're going to be taxed, but then this is a happy energy, so that is why you are going to be happy this December. Maybe credit is also coming in for your professional attitude. Reunions are also quite likely this month. I think Librans, you will do well if you avoid anger and disagreements. Maybe you feel that a particular person is always creating discord. The first 10 days of December, we have the Six of Swords. This is the energy which is compelling you to move forward, even if you're undecided. Maybe some of you are also making those travel plans. I think you need to sail with the changes rather than resist the same. Perhaps you could be in two minds, but a flexible approach will see you through. Official paperwork or documents could also be keeping you busy. Librans, in this time, you should also be mindful of the fact that technically you could be challenged. Some negative energy is also there which I'm picking up, so you need to clear your aura this month. The next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th December, we have the Ace of Pentacles. Again, opportunities to make gains are quite likely for you, especially when it comes to communicating with your clients. In case you are looking for a job opportunity, you need to be patient. Maybe you should not set your hopes too high. It's best not to get discouraged or demoralized. Rather, you need to motivate yourself. Sometimes, Librans, your energy levels could flag. You need to concentrate that much harder. So maybe you should take up something which is light and then refocus on tasks which are going to be mentally taxing. Even if you are in the leadership position, you will find praise coming in your way because you appreciate your workers. I think you give them the freedom to carry on the task the way they desire. That is why they are grateful for the same. The final days of December, that is towards 21st to 31st December, we have the Ace of Swords. So certainly this is an energy which is asking you to cut through those obstacles. This month is also the time for new beginnings, new opportunities, so you need to grab them with both hands. Though time seems to be at a premium, you will be able to deliver the goods. Basically, this energy is asking you to take the initiative, to take the bull by the horns. You are somebody who could also be forced to communicate with someone. Maybe you're a bit hesitant about the same, but then you will do so. In these final days, I think deals will be finalized very quickly. Besides, your goodwill will also ensure the same. Friends, you should also be careful because there could be errors in your work which you could overlook. So you need to be that much careful. In personal relationships, Librans, I think in these final days there could be misunderstandings because this is a Swords energy. You're going to react very quickly. Perhaps you should not blow hot and cold because it could have a bearing on your health. With respect to your love life, Librans, I have this card, you're an angel. That's very positive message to have in this reading. We do have the Two of Cups. So something is there which is brewing with respect to matters of the heart. Possibly this person who has feelings for you regards you as a perfect person. You're his ideal. In case you're crushing on someone, I think Librans, you may be fancying this person. Maybe you are cyber stalking this person on the social media. You want to understand his thoughts. I think this person could also melt your heart because he has some profound thoughts. Perhaps he's also someone who is spiritually inclined. You see him as someone who's a pure soul. Many of you could be dealing with someone with whom you have lost touch. Perhaps this person has pulled at your heartstrings and this is the time to reconnect. I think this person is also somebody who could help you when you feel you're between the devil and the deep blue sea. Maybe you will also regard yourself as someone who is taking the initiative to start the romance. Maybe you don't want to be in that situation, but then certain sacrifices have to be made if you want this relationship to move forward. Romancing Librans, I think you'll have to deal with a very busy lover. I think your person is going to recognize that you're quite sensitive to his needs, that you're quite sensible because you know that work is a priority for him. Maybe that is why he sees you as an angel. He sees you as someone who is sacrificing yourself. I think ill health of your person or your partner could also affect you this month, so you're going to be the caregiver. Sometimes, money is spent on health issues. That is why it could create friction in your relationship, so you need to be careful of that as well. Another message that we have here is free will. Certainly everything in our lives happen as per the divine plan, but we also have the free will or the choice here to do as we choose to do. Maybe there are options before you and it's yours to take. Some of you could be reconnecting with someone this month, or maybe you are making travel plans to be with this person whom you desire. It's also possible that there could be options with respect to work offers. So this is your choice to make. The last card in this reading is crystals. I think crystals will help you this month to magnify your energies. Maybe there are blockages in your chakras which you can clear by using crystals. Like rose quartz can help you with your heart chakra. Amethyst can help raise your spiritual vibration as well. Maybe some of you are also working with children who are quite soft-spoken, gentle or nature lovers, so you have to look into their needs this month. Or perhaps you're also exhibiting these crystal qualities and characteristics. All in all, Librans, this is a month to forge ahead, to take your chances, but you also need to safeguard your health. Your physical and mental being, that is. I hope, Librans, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.